Good afternoon, teacher Julián, students. My name is Leal Durán, student Administración de Empresas. Next, to read sentences. I will to ask for packing box for the production. I will to order supplies for office. I will to require products for car maintenance. I will book toilet products. I will to order all the women for the collection questions. It's relatively your box to accept which the necessary requirements. How many box in the patch? How much quality is there in the box? How much resistance is there in the box for in the packing? How many units is there paper pack? How much water for battery is there gallon? Next, purchase order, customer, supermarket, project, season, for season, direct time for April 218, number 205, date 1 April 218, order, specifications. Please is going to ask 100 units the box which the highest quality resistant the brand Carton de Colombia H&M 2,000 units the gloves the brand Protex and sign M 2 gallons of battery water for solar 5 box of adhesive tape of marca Colbón. To see Edwin Leal Durán on beijing of Edwin Leal Durán subtotal 105 65 tax shipping costs total 205 654 telephone 2 2 3 4 6 7 5 4 9 extension 2 3 4 3. Thank you, teacher.